Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Conversation.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
This is a series from American English Podcast. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Lucas. Today is exciting.
Yes, today we're learning about shopping. Shopping is fun, right? But sometimes it's difficult in English.
Don't worry, we'll help you. Today, you'll learn how to ask about prices.
You'll also learn how to ask about sizes.
And you'll learn how to buy things in stores.
These are very useful phrases. You use them every day.
We're going to act out some shopping situations today.
That's right. We'll pretend to be in different stores.
I'll be the customer sometimes, and Sophia will be the shop assistant.
Then we'll switch. It's like a little play.
So, are you ready to practice shopping English with us?
Great! Let's start our first scenario.
Okay, first scenario. Imagine we're in a clothing store.
I'll be the customer first. Lucas will be the shop assistant.
Ready? Let's begin. Welcome to our store.
Hello. I'm looking for a shirt.
We have many shirts. What color do you like?
I like blue. Do you have blue shirts?
Yes. Look at this one. It's very nice.
Oh, I like it. But first, how much is this shirt?
That shirt is $25.
Okay. How much is this shirt? Did you hear that?
Yes. How much is very important for asking about prices.
Let me ask again. How much is this shirt?
It's $25.
Great price. But wait, what size is this?
That one is size large.
Large is too big for me. Do you have this in size medium?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here you are.
Perfect. Do you have this in size medium? Very useful question.
You can change the size. Do you have this in small?
Or do you have this in large? Easy, right?
Now let's continue the scenario.
Now I tried it on, and it fits perfectly.
Wonderful. Do you want to buy it?
Yes, I'll take this shirt, please.
I'll take this, please. Say this when you want to buy something.
I'll take this, please. See? I said it again.
Okay, that's $25, please.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please insert your card here.
Done. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Great job, everyone. That was our first scenario.
Let's review the key phrases quickly.
How much is this? Ask about the price.
Do you have this in medium? Ask about sizes.
I'll take this, please. Say this to buy something.
Can I pay by card? Ask about payment.
Perfect. Now let's go to scenario 2.
Now imagine we're at the supermarket.
This time, Lucas will be the customer. I'll be the worker.
I'm shopping for dinner tonight. I need tomatoes.
Okay, let's start. Oh, these tomatoes look good.
But I don't see the price anywhere. Let me ask.
I'm working at the supermarket. How can I help you?
Excuse me, how much are these tomatoes?
Those tomatoes are $3 per pound.
Did you hear? I asked, how much are these tomatoes?
How much are these? Use this for many items.
Right. How much is this for one item? Okay, $3 per pound. That's a good price.
Let's continue. What else do you need?
I also need cheese. But where is the cheese?
Good question. Let me help you find it.
Excuse me, where can I find cheese?
Cheese is in aisle 5, on your left.
Where can I find cheese? This is super useful.
You can ask, where can I find bread?
Or where can I find eggs? Use any item you need.
Aisle 5 on your left. Thank you.
Now I'm at the checkout. That means the place where you pay.
I'm the cashier now. Hello. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. How much is the total?
Your total is $12.50.
We can say $12.50. That's easier.
Yes, $12.50 or $12.50.
Here's $15.
Okay, your change is $2.50.
Change means the money you get back.
If something costs $12 and you pay $15,
You get $3 change. Simple.
here's your receipt too.
Receipt is the paper showing what you bought.
Keep your receipt, it's important.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. End of scenario 2.
That was fun. Let's review quickly.
How much are these for many items?
Where can I find cheese? To find items in the store.
How much is the total? Ask at the checkout.
Don't forget, change and receipt are important words.
Ready for our last scenario? Now we're at the pharmacy.
Pharmacy is the store where you buy medicine.
You also buy soap, shampoo, and health items there.
This time, I'll be the pharmacist. Sophia is the customer.
Perfect. Let's begin. Hello, I'm looking for shampoo.
Shampoo is in aisle 2, next to the soap.
Thank you. Oh, I found it. But there are so many.
Take your time. Choose the one you like.
Excuse me, how much is this shampoo?
That shampoo is on sale today. It's only $5.
Wait, what does on sale mean?
Good question. On sale means the price is lower than normal.
Oh, like a discount. The price is cheaper.
Exactly. It's usually $7, but today it's $5.
That's a great price. I'll take 2 bottles, please.
Smart thinking. Buy more when it's on sale.
Now, I need one more thing. I have a headache today.
Oh no, you need medicine. Let me help you.
Do you have something for headaches?
Yes. Do you want strong medicine or something mild?
Mild means not too strong, right?
Correct. Mild medicine is gentle. Strong medicine is powerful.
I want something mild, please.
Okay, I recommend this one. It's very popular.
How much is it?
It's $8.99.
We can say about $9. That's easier.
Yes, $8.99 or about $9.
Perfect. I'll take this medicine too.
Great. So you want 2 shampoos and 1 medicine?
Yes, that's right.
Your total is $18.99.
Here's $20.
Okay, here's your change, $1.01. End of scenario 3. Great job, everyone.
We acted out 3 different shopping situations today.
Clothing store, supermarket, and pharmacy.
Wow, we did so much today.
You learned many useful shopping phrases.
Let's review all the important phrases together.
First, when you want to know the price, ask, how much is this for one item?
How much are these for many items?
Second, when you need a different size, ask, do you have this in medium? Change the size to what you need.
Third, when you can't find something, Ask, where can I find cheese? Use any item you're looking for.
Fourth, when you want to buy something, say, "I'll take this, please." Very polite and clear.
And remember these important new words.
Change, the money you get back when you pay.
Receipt, the paper showing what you bought.
On sale, when something costs less than normal.
Aisle, the rows in a supermarket or store. Checkout, the place where you pay in a store.
These phrases work in many countries.
You can use them everywhere, in stores, markets, and shops.
Now, we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what do you like to buy?
Do you prefer shopping for clothes or food?
What's your favorite store in your city?
We really love reading your comments.
Oh, and if you enjoyed today's lesson,
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
yes, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next lesson.
We make new videos every day to help you with English.
Practice these phrases this week when you go shopping.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is how we learn.
The shop assistants will be happy to help you.
Remember, you're doing great. Every word you learn is progress.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We'll see you in our next easy English conversation lesson.
Goodbye, friends. Happy shopping.
Goodbye.